Can a compact gaming keyboard truly deliver a full-sized punch without breaking the bank? This Whnlsryy mechanical keyboard promises exactly that, and we're about to find out if it lives up to the hype for PC gamers. Right out of the box, the Whnlsryy Compact 80 7-key design immediately catches the eye. It's built to save space, which is a huge win for anyone with a smaller desk or who just prefers more room for their mouse. The idea here is to bring your keyboard and mouse closer together, maximizing comfort and accuracy during those intense gaming sessions. And honestly, it feels great to have that extra real estate. But a gaming keyboard isn't just about size, it's about the feel. This Whnlsryy model comes equipped with blue mechanical switches, and they deliver that distinct, satisfying clicky feedback that many gamers and typists absolutely love. It's an audible and tactile response that lets you know every key press has registered, which is crucial for quick reactions in games. The response time feels snappy, making it a solid choice whether you're battling enemies or just hammering out an email. Then there's the visual flair. The rainbow LED backlighting is a standout feature. Both the keyboard and the accompanying mouse boast various RGB light modes, and while they have different patterns, the ability to adjust color, brightness, and even dimming speed means you can truly personalize your setup. It adds a fantastic ambience to your gaming space, making those late-night sessions even more immersive. It's not just a static light show, it's dynamic and customizable, which is a nice touch for this price point. For serious gamers, anti-ghosting is non-negotiable, and the Whnlsryy doesn't disappoint. This is a true mechanical gaming keyboard, where each key is controlled by its own separate switch. What that means for you is that even when you're mashing multiple keys simultaneously in a frantic moment, every single input registers accurately. No missed commands, no frustrating delays, just pure, unadulterated responsiveness. That level of precision can genuinely make a difference in competitive play. Overall, the Whnlsryy Compact 80 7-key mechanical keyboard is a surprisingly capable contender. It brings together satisfying blue switch performance, vibrant and customizable RGB lighting, and essential anti-ghosting features, all in a space-saving design. If you're a PC gamer or even a typist looking for a responsive, tactile, and visually appealing keyboard that won't hog your desk, this one definitely deserves a closer look. It's a strong option for anyone seeking a solid mechanical experience without a hefty price tag.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.